Hey guys, Jack here with another ManHeat home tip. If you've handled as many tools as I have, you'd know how handy one of these is to have around. The Anvil, the mother of all shop tools. Today I'm going to show you how to get one set up for your workshop. Let's get started. First, get a measurement of your knuckles to the floor. This will give you an idea of how high to set your base. Subtract the height of the anvil itself and you'll get the height of what your base should be. Next, find a log or stump that matches your measurement. You want to be sure that the surface of your base is level. An easy way to fix that is by kicking some gravel underneath the stump. To fix the anvil to the base, I like to use a few nails and some insulated copper wire. That ain't going nowhere. And finally, get to work. Not bad for a day's work. That's it for this episode. See you all next time on ManHeat Home. And remember, wherever you go, always bring your ManHeat. ManHeat. ManHeat in the city. ManHeat. ManHeat in the town.